Hi, this is Sean with Sean Cole Enterprises, and I wanted to make a short video today and basically want to give you some tips on how to have a higher conversion rate when you're sharing your affiliate links with prospects. What I've found over the years is that the best way to do it is not to send them the affiliate link that your company has provided for you. That long 12 to 16 digit affiliate link, it looks very ugly, looks very spammy. People are hesitant to click on them because they're scared of viruses and malware and all that type of stuff get on their phone and their computer. One easy way to get around that would simply be going to, say, WordPress or going to GoDaddy. I prefer GoDaddy, and purchasing a domain name, preferably something that relates to whatever you know company or topic that you have, and incorporating your name in your domain name, because we always want to focus on branding yourself and never whatever company it is that you're in. And preferably to set up, say, a landing page to make yourself look a lot more professional. But if you don't have a landing page, you're not into all that, you can pretty much just set up your affiliate link inside of the domain name. Go into your domain name, go into your DNS settings, go into your forwarding, put your affiliate link inside the forwarding address, which means that the domain name is pointing towards your affiliate link, and it'll look a lot more professional than you just straight sending them to an affiliate link, because a lot of times they're not going to click on it. The conversion rates go up a lot higher when you send people an actual website address, an actual domain name, excuse me, a www dot, whatever it is that you're advertising, with your name incorporated in that title or that domain name. Your click-through rate will be a lot higher. Now, we're sitting here and we're talking about click-through rates. I'm a strong believer in, if you're going to be really effective in this business, you have to have a landing page. A landing page makes you look a lot more professional. You also know the service that I provide. We provide you with landing pages, email list building capabilities, advertising capabilities, so forth and so on. A lot more for one low price. And you get all that done quickly, easy to use, drag and drop format put together. Take you about 10 minutes. You can look very professional in the world of affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM. Look professional. That'll give you that professional presence online, which is what you need to increase your conversions when you send prospects to your affiliate information. All right. If you have any questions, you like this tip, you can follow me on Facebook. www.facebook.com// Sean Cole Enterprises. You can subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I give tips like this and pointers and other ways that you can make money online. You can reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, my name is Sean Cole. You can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for taking the time out today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.